Hey. We go into the bedroom where we have another smoke detector fire rated. One plug here, strap to the back. As you can see all my wires strapped down. I'm using a shallow box with a protection with a side piece of wood required by code, both sides, because it's a 4x4 box. And then you have my switch here, along with my fridge outlet. Okay. So as you can see, I've removed every single wire in the basement. There's nothing that's here anymore. Everything is removed. This is the washroom, LED mirror, GFI. The switch is on the outside because of the cold room, and one fan here. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video we're going to dive into the world of pools and what it takes to protect people from being hurt. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, basically what we have here is this was the bonding strap that I had to remove from the panel because it's already bonded at the disconnect. So I'm removing this. Also, I've used bigger lugs for my grounding because usually I have problems grounding them off to the actual ground bar, which is these ones here. So I actually went a little bit bigger. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, what I'll be showing you is basically I've removed the bonding strap from the panel, as it's bounded at the main disconnect, so no need for leaving this inside the panel. I've also grounded off my ground wires, tech cable, onto a bigger ground lug. As you can see here, these are pretty bigger, and the ground bar you see there is usually smaller and gives me issues, and it probably wouldn't pass inspection, so I went a step further in installing proper ground lugs that are big. Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Here, this is a pool house. I have a couple lights on the outside, one light here. I have one receptacle. I have another light here, also another light with another receptacle. And then when we go around the side here, these pipes are basically for the pool lights. And then I have one light here. And if I turned around here, there's a hot tub I have with my ground wire coming out to ground the hot tub. And then here is our pool right here. I still have to ground my pool off on the outside.